Hi, my name is Tiana from Golden Chef Spice Arena, and today we have a 3 days event at the Spice Convention Center. So yeah, let's check it out. We are at the Sweet Sensation corner under the category pastries, and they have exactly 45 minutes to finish this competition. So we're here with the judges after the competition, so come, let's take a look. Hi, excuse me. Hi, judges. Can I ask you a bit of a question?
Yeah, sure.
So, what did you think the students did well today?
Oh, I think they did very well. Some exceed my expectation, and also some just need a little bit of improvement.
How are you feeling today?
It's very good. It's a great because they are first time joining this competition. So it's very good.
So, chef, do you have anything to add on?
I think they did a very good job today, and I hope that they can keep on going, joining the competition, upcoming competitions.
Okay. Thank you, chef. So let's proceed to the next event.
TLM Food Expo is an event design. It's not only for the foodies, it's also for all the exhibitors from the different industry, no matter you are the packaging food, the cooked food. This is the platform for you to showcase your business and services. We also thank you like the GCCA for partnership us for helping the cooking competition. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Thank you very much.
Welcome to this event showcasing the latest trends in the food and beverage industry. TLM Food Expo is one of the largest food exhibitions, bringing together renowned food enterprises from both local and international markets. This provides a platform for these food industry players to showcase and promote their brands and products.
We're here with Sweet Sensation, second round. So yeah, we're gonna take a quick interview and see what they're doing. Let's go.
大家好，我叫赖子怡，我来自 Hospitality Best 4。今天我做的是 Blueberry Cheesecake， 还有那个 Blueberry 的 Egg Tart。今天是第一次比赛，所以会有比较紧张一点哦。然后发挥也没有那么好，我希望下次我可以更好。我要感谢我的 Chef 对我的一直以来的教导，然后可以再一直帮助我，还有我的朋友那些给我一点意见，谢谢。
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shawakai and I'm from Hospitality Batch 4. Today, my hot and cold dessert is baklava cheesecake and strawberry sago. Today's competition is pretty windy for me, but that should not be a problem because this is a competition. Any possibility could happen, but I must move on and complete this competition. If there is any improvement for me, I should make good preparation and thought of every possibility that could stop me, and I should overcome them.
We are here at the end of the ceremony. As you can see here, if you missed out, you can join us next year or follow us on our IG at Penang GCCA on Instagram and Facebook. So see you. Bye.